Alright, hello everyone. 718 Sports Cards. We're doing just 3 boxes, division break. Alright, so eBay break. 6 divisions. We got 6 participants. Dave T with the AL East, Taryn with the AL Central, Chris AL West, Darren and NL East, Nathan NL Central, Gilbert NL West. Alright, 10/01, December 4th. Alright, guys, good luck. All the cards will ship. 4 hits per box. Alright, Corey Kubler, Freddie Freeman base, filler, Andrus, Chris Bryant, Scherzer. Alright, Joey Votto. Got a prism here of Adrian Beltre. Not numbered. Numbered out of 199, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Alonzo, Pete Rose. Mark Reynolds. Rated rookie of Yulitsky Gurriel. Not numbered. Ken Griffey Jr. prism out of 399. 147 out of 399. Trey Turner, Solarte. Ryan Sandberg, Evan Longoria, a Jordan Montgomery. This has an auto, 31 out of 35 for the Yankees. AL East auto. Nice prism, purple. 31 out of 35. AL East. Bryce Harper, Matt Carpenter. Springer, Bumgarner, Marcell Ozuna, 1 color, 384 out of 499. Herrera, Schmidt. Kershaw, Carson Kelly, rated rookie. Carpenter out of 399. 380 out of 399. Dickerson, Fowler. Griffey Jr., Felix Hernandez. Hunter Renfroe, auto, 1 color, not numbered. Spectra. And it's an on-card auto. Greinke, Bautista. Beltre, rated rookie, Francis Martez. Out of 499, Derek Fisher, 109 out of 499. Cano, Sanchez. We got one more hit coming up. Brett, Calhoun, Filler, Kane out of 999, 758 out of 999. Altuve, Molina. Ricky Henderson. We got a Met, Noah Syndergaard, Prism. Got a gold standard, Chris Bryant, just base 202 out of 269. Would have been a nice auto. 202 out of 269. Cespedes, Betts. I'm assuming that counts as a hit. Let's see. Gallo, Scherzer, Prism, not numbered. Fulmer out of 25. 16 out of 25. Carlson Fulmer. Out of 25. Ryan and Kipnis. Oh, last pack. So if there's an auto in here. If not, then I guess the redemption. Kane. Pence. Do the redemption last. Jones. Ray. Ah, wow. Gold standard rookie jersey autograph double. Cody Bellinger. Nice. NL West. Not sure what it's numbered. Autograph double. Gold standard rookie jersey autograph double. Nice hit. Alright, not bad for first box. Rizzo, Miguel Cabrera, Prism, not numbered. Numbered out of 999, 126 out of 999. Ken Griffey Jr., Brett, Calhoun. Cal Ripken, Prism of Bellinger, not numbered. 303 out of 399, Adam Frazier, Harrison, Stanton. Chris Bryant, Max Scherzer, Todd Frazier out of Triple Threat, out of 149, 35 out of 149. This goes to Chicago, not the Yankees. Ozuna Mustakas. Zimmerman, Cabrera, Filler, Carpenter out of 199, 59 out of 199. Archer and Schebler. Justin Bohr, Lewis Brinson, righty rookie. Clayton Kershaw, Prism, 143 out of 299. Votto, Springer. Turner, Yandy Diaz, rated rookie. Out of 199, Lewis Brinson. DeGrom, Duval. Puyos. Mauer. A Jock Peterson auto. Another Dodger hit. Not numbered. Sale and Hamilton. Solarte. Hopper. Filler. Chris Bryant out of 399. That was 9 out of 399. Yep, 9 out of 399. Seager. Myers. Matt Carpenter. Got a Mickey Mantle Prism. Not numbered. Got a Hunter Renfroe numbered out of 399 Prism. Orange. Odor. Rodriguez. Alright, Baez. Rated rookie. Franklin Barreto. Herrera. That was numbered out of 999. Holiday. Cologne. Edwin Encarnacion. Ben Gamel and a Trey Mancini auto. Nice. Out of 99. 75 out of 99. AL East 75 out of 99. Baltimore. Bumgarner, Beltre. Trout. Cutchin. Gabriel Yona auto for who's this? Oh, Baltimore, another Baltimore hit. Gabriel Yona, Noah, not numbered. Braun Gordon. All right, last box coming up. And I'll get these cards shipped out probably by Thursday. Just got a long work schedule. It's hard for me to get to the post office. I used to be able to ship a lot faster. Maybe Wednesday, but I think Thursday I'll be out at the post office. Jay Bruce. Dansby Swanson, rookie. Not numbered. Out of 499, Hader. Darvish. Sano. Davidson. Bo. Anthony Alford auto Prism. This is just Prism, not numbered. Another AL East. A lot of AL East. Goldschmidt and Cole. Eric Dames, Perez, Filler, Machado, Arenado. Edwin Encarnacion, and Ian Happ, rookie. Not numbered. Marcel Ozuna at 10. 9 out of 10. Nice low numbered hit. Prism. It's the gold. Yep, the gold. Marcel Ozuna. Gold Prism. 9 out of 10. Smoke Verlander. Lamb. Paul DeJong, rated rookie. Mookie Betts, gold standard, out of 15. Nice low number, 2 out of 15. Clemens, Lindor. Gamel, Rizzo, Dave Concepcion, auto bat, nice, 22 out of 25. Nice low number hit, Cincinnati. Concepcion. (22 out of 25). Davis, Dozier. McCutcheon. Cal Ripken. Miguel Sano out of 149. 60 out of 149. Triple threats. Miguel Sano. A little thread sticking out in the middle there. Gallo and Kubler. Kemp, Frazier, Ian Happ auto, Chicago. Nice rookie Chronicles. Not numbered. Ozuna, Mustakis. I'll tell you, for 3 boxes, nice hits. A nice Bellinger redemption. Zimmerman. Bonifacio rated rookie. Out of 399, Castillo. Freddie Freeman. Mark Reynolds. Cabrera. Bohr. Filler. Greinke out of 199. 195. 199. Sandberg. Longoria. Donaldson, Aaron Judge, rookie Prism, nice. Not numbered, but these sell well. Hey, at least got some nice hits anyway. 295, 299, Verlander, DeGrom, Duvall. Last pack, Andrus, rated rookie Antonio Senzatella, Colorado. Out of 999, Freddie Freeman, Buster Posey, and Mickey Mantle. And that's it. Guys, thanks again for joining. Again, I should have the cards at the post office no later than Thursday. And that's it. I'll probably do maybe some more individual, a few low box breaks, maybe another 2 or 3 division of Chronicles. I think I got 1 left. I was going to keep it for myself or give it to my nephew. Maybe I'll do that, give him as a Christmas gift, but maybe I'll order some more. It seems to be pretty cool. Nice hits. The price is not too bad. All right, guys, thanks again. Thanks for joining. Have a great night.